Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and copy your Facebook profile link or URL. The first thing we need to do is open the Facebook application, and please kindly remember to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistake, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. Click on the Facebook application, then click on your profile picture, then scroll down, okay? Click on your name there. For instance, here my name is Wycliffe Ochieng Oko. I just click on the name. Then you want to locate these three dots here. These ones, don't make any mistake. Click on the three dots. Then you'll scroll down and copy the profile link like that. Okay, this is the way you copy your profile link. Then you paste it wherever you want to paste it, okay? Then you can also copy profile link of other Facebook users. For instance, I can search a Facebook user here. Let me just search it like this. Then you click on the name like that. Then you click on the three dots. Then you will see the profile link of the user. Then you will just copy it like this and paste it wherever you want. So with this strategy, you can copy the profile link of any Facebook user. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.